Got some Marshmallow Peeps to use up after Easter? Just looking for a nice, simple, and easy topping for some cupcakes you just gotta have? Well, stay tuned because I'm gonna take the little marshmallow on top of a cupcake challenge to a whole new level. Get ready for the easiest and most delicious, and I'm not overstating this, topping you've ever had for a cupcake. Stay tuned. Welcome back to Cooking from Scratch. It's Melissa and happy Easter! Or about to be Easter. Okay, I'll admit it. My most favorite thing about this holiday, the Marshmallow Peeps. I love them so much. Now, I know when it comes to Marshmallow Peeps, there are two camps. There are people who love these absolutely fresh, and then there are people who love them just a little bit stale, so they're practically the largest Lucky Charms marshmallow you've ever eaten. Love to hear which camp you're in. Let me know down in the comments below. But today, we are going to sacrifice our sugar-covered marshmallow friends to take our cupcakes to a whole new level. So if you're in for the best cupcakes you've ever had, grab yourself a drink, crank up that music, and let's get frosting. So to start us off, you basically need just any cupcakes possible. Hell, you could even go out and buy the cupcakes. It doesn't matter. But you are going to want to serve these as soon as they come out of the oven, because as those of you guys who are fans of s'mores will know, there is nothing like the texture and the flavor of s'mores that just came off the fire. And we're going to do the same thing with these. So I'm sure those of you guys who've been crawling around Pinterest like I do looking for ideas for cooking, for baking, have seen that one of the highest recommended things you can do to frost a cupcake is just stick a marshmallow on top. And that works. It's all good and fine. But this is Easter, and we can do a little bit more. So, take yourself a cupcake, and we're going to want to cut out 2 holes in about the middle. So just carve yourself out a little divot there and a little divot here. Spacing really isn't important. This is just basically a place for the heads to go. I wish there was a better way to phrase this. There isn't. Now for this one, I'm going to get a little bit artistic. I'm going to mix a pink and a yellow. You can really do this with any of the Marshmallow Peeps. Oh, you can just do this with a marshmallow. But there is something added, and I kid you not, to using our little friends, the Marshmallow Peeps. And it's all in the sugar. So what we're doing here is we're not only melting and caramelizing. Caramelizing. I never learned the proper way to say that. If you guys know, let me know in the comments down below. We're also caramelizing the sugar. So we're going to get a little bit of a creme brulee action on top of this. So we're gonna kiss our little friend goodbye. Goodbye, brave soldier. And stick his face down here in one of the holes. And we're gonna take one of his yellow compatriots, stick his face down in the little hole. So the little feet, sorry, my cat's smelling stuff that's baking. She really wants some. So the little feet are sticking up. This is going to be our top. So what we're going to wind up doing is melting the marshmallow all the way down, not only from the top, but also in the bottom. So you get a delicious cupcake with not only a gorgeous marshmallow top, but a wonderfully yummy marshmallow center. Do this with the rest of your cupcakes. Grab yourself a sheet pan and stick this on top. Turn your broiler on, keep an eye on it. I would actually turn on the light as well. You're gonna wanna separate these out a little bit, but when these go under the broiler, do not take your eyes off of it. It is okay to leave the door open just a crack so you can keep an eye on this. The second this starts to brown, pull it out because this is gonna go from brown to black and charcoaly very, very fast. I can't even tell you how amazing these cupcakes are, especially that ooey, gooey, stringy pulliness that you get from a freshly toasted marshmallow. Excuse me while I stuff my face. That creme brulee top with the melty ooey gooiness of the marshmallow. May not be the prettiest girl at the dance, but let me tell you, she'll knock your socks off. Thank you guys so much. I hope you guys have enjoyed this recipe. If you'd like to get more tips, tricks, recipes, and just having fun hanging out, hit that subscribe button down below to have our videos added to your sub playlist. If you've got some ideas on a perfect topping for a cupcake, please let me know down in the comments down below. And I will see you, awesome people, in the next video. Happy Easter!